So this is new to me.
What are you coming and getting?
I guess we're getting avgas for the Honda. There we go. Dude, this
It's
is
blue. That's sick. Need help there, bud?
No, I'm just trying to get everything out of my...
How many doll hairs was that?
I don't know. Honestly, I wasn't going to look and see how much it cost, but that was 5 gallons even.
Can I smell it?
I was actually just going to do that. I don't really smell any different. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever done. Okay, we just filled up a gas tank at the airport for the Honda. This is crazy. What are we doing, bro? What are we doing? We're finally gonna get this boat started, boy.
How do you take this off?
Big maybe.
I don't want to break it.
It's an idiot, guys. I don't know how to take it off either.
Oh, you just pull. You pour it.
Yeah, I want to pour it. I'm gonna be the one to spill it, not you.
Like, I'm back, guys. Blocking the camera.
With your stupid fingers. Guys, I don't know. This might be a son of a bitch.
Nah, just pour it in. You good. You gotta get used to this. You gotta get a longer hose, dude, for next time.
Let me make sure it's gonna clog it first. Oh! It's not gonna clog it. Okay, we gotta...
What? That's a bad idea. Oh, look at that. Perfection. What are you putting in?
This is avgas.
What's avgas used
100
for?
octane jet fuel. Dude, so we did the math. It's $37.51 for 5 gallons. Times that by 3, it's $112 and some change for 15 gallons of avgas in this car.
Oh, yeah, we did put a 15-gallon cell in here. That's more than my
basically.
diesel, dude.
Yeah, guys, it's official. First 5 gallons ever poured in this cell. It's only a third of the way full, too. Prime it again? Oh, yeah, she's drinking.
No leaks.
Nice. Go ahead and frame it. Okay, I'm gonna keep framing it. You're an idiot. Purple in. If it's leaking. There you go. That's a regulator. Oh yeah, 70 pounds.
Dude,
Right
that
there.
screw's almost coming out. It's almost all the way out.
That's a big pump.
17th time is the charm. That pissed me off, dude. It was the same pump too. Edit that out. You got brake cleaner here?
Prime it one more time.
Ready?
Prime it one more time. Okay, yeah. Fuel pressure's good.
Turn on.
Should be dialed.
Come on, baby.
That's exciting.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, well that's a wrap for today's video. This car started up first try after we dialed in a couple of wiring issues. Got everything sorted out. This thing's running great. Need to get it tuned now. It's on a base map right now. I just got to get a few other little things and this car's dialed 100% ready to go. And then we're good to run it and just start making some content with this car hopefully. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little crazy, kind of all over the place, but nothing else. We will see you guys next time.